Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subject is corporate governance and corporate social responsibility. And the topic for today's lecture is the directors. That is third lecture on this topic. Teaching agenda for today's lecture is director inductions, register of director interest. Interest means interest of the directors in the company or related company. Director dealings with the company. Director dealing in company's shares. Insider trading or insider dealing. Market abuse, removal or disqualification of director. Dominant personality issues. Director inductions. When the director have been elected as a member of the board of the company, proper orientation should be given to this newly elected director. What should be included in the orientation? The company should arrange visit to all newly directors to all location and site of the company. What will be the benefit of this? They will get knowledge about the company's operations, about the company products, about the company suppliers and other logistic. Each department head should give him presentation about the function of their respective department. Just like finance should give presentation what the finance is doing, marketing head should prepare a presentation the product and services and market share of the company. Third, informal meeting with the senior officials and line managers is also necessary. And the board of directors or the newly elected directors will observe the company culture of the organizations and management culture how they are operating the companies. Orientation should also include meeting with major shareholders, institutional investors. So this is a typo. Institutional investors to understand the concerns, to listen to their concern and understand their expectation from this newly elected boards. Meeting should also be arranged with the external advisor, consultant of the company. External advisor may be a legal consultant, maybe a tax consultant, maybe a chartered accountant firms, or maybe external auditor of the company in order to get information about that how the company is operating or what are their response to these external parties. If possible, proper training should be arranged for this newly directors on corporate governance, which include short courses on finance, taxes, ethical standard for the director to be observed while acting as a board members. Register of directors' interest. When the director formally is assuming the office of the director in the company, a person must make a formal declaration of their interest. This declaration should include the detail of share held by him or his immediate family, spouse, sons, brothers, etc. Detail of other directorship in other company should also be declared. His interest in the company in which he is elected as a director and may have dealing with the company. So it should also be declared. His present or past relationship with the company's director or senior managers or chairman should also be declared. Any other information that may have impact on his performance as a director to discharge his responsibility must be declared by the director. Director dealing with the company. Below guidelines are provided for the director to deal with the company. Dealing should be fair, transparent, and at arm's length transaction. It is often discouraged that the director should not have a dealing with the companies, but law do not prohibit any director to deal with the company. So the dealing should be fair, transparent, and all transaction must be at arm's length. Secondly, no loan should be granted to the director on whatever terms may be, even on the market terms. The company it is highly discouraged to extend any loan to the directors. The company must disclose conflict of interest with directors. If director is running the same business, it should be disclosed. Are the firms in which the director has an interest? Are those firms means the firms in which the elected director has interest, have shareholding, or have any designation in that other firms, and that have the conflict of interest with that current firms, it should also be disclosed. Director should not vote in such matter, means the matter which have a conflict of interest of the director with the company. If these matters are come under discussion in the board, that specific director will not be allowed to vote on such type of matter. It is collective responsibility of the board to prevent misuse of the information by any directors. All transactions of significant size must be put forward for approval from the shareholder. Significant size means that it have strategic impact on the company, such as merger and acquisitions, such as buying a new machinery, divesting any part of the company, closing any specific business type of the company. These all transactions is of significant size. All transaction between the company and the director or the firm in which director have interest must be disclosed in financial statement. It is very much necessary. Insider trading or dealing. What is insider trading? Insider dealing or trading refers to dealing of share in the company by individual who has access due to his position or through other person to undisclosed price sensitive information from inside of the company. It is called inside dealing. Inside informations are not known to public but known only to relevant person within a company. If these informations are available to the public, it would have price effect on the share of the company. Example. For example, if you have access to any sensitive information, let's suppose you know that the company is going to declare dividend, and you know the amount, and you also know the impact of that amount of dividend on the share price. Now you call your buddy and say and instruct him to buy the shares because the company is going to announce the share in near future that would increase the share prices. He started buying the share of the company before the public get aware of the news, and held these shares. When the news become public, the news about declaration of the dividend become public, people or investor will start buying the share and the price will move up, and this person who have access to this information will earn the profit just because have inside information. Such type of dealing is criminal offense in many countries, but it is hard to substantiate it and held someone body behind the bar. The second thing is market abuse. It refers to a situation where individual or group of individuals deliberately release misleading information into the market. What is the view? To distort the market or create false misleading impression about the movement in share prices. What is the objective of this propagating such type of rumors? The objective is to induce the investor action in a manner that share price moves in the direction desired by the market abuser. For example, if some directors have huge number of shares in the company and want to sell them, they may propagate rumors that the company is in a process of winning huge contract which will increase the profit multiple times. Such rumor will likely induce the investor behavior to start buying the share, and share will move up. Then the abuser will load off their share and earn the profit because of this market abuses. It is a civil offense, not a criminal offense. Issue of re-election. In Pakistani law, there is no restriction on the number of tenure of the director, except in banking companies. Declare a re-elected for indefinite number of tenures. What happened then? It is hard for a new people to come as a director except in case of death or resignation. This re-election of director at multiple times create familiarity with the management, and this familiarity is the result erode independence of the director. Ideally, what is suggested that 2 tenure of 3 or 4 years are ideal duration. The other suggestion is that nomination committee should assess the performance of a person who is retired or completed his tenure and nominated for re-election. So on the basis of this performance, he should be allowed to re-elect or not. This nomination committee give proper reason to the shareholder that why the person is suitable for re-election. Removal or disqualification of the director. Company Ordinance 1984 Form A have laid down the grounds to disqualify any of the director. The detail of removal and methods of removal of director are mentioned in the article of the Association of the Companies. What are the proper ideal situation? When a director ceases to hold requisite number of shares, he would be no more director in the company. If a person became insane, he would be no more director in the company. Formally declared bankrupt person is unable to continue his directorships. If any person is convicted by the court in criminal offense, he is not allowed to continue his directorship. if he failed to appear in a preset of number of meetings and then removed through resolution. The other reason may be if any directors propose a removal because his presence harmed the company interest, but the article association laid down a minimum number of votes required for such removals. Dominant personality issues in Pakistan. History revealed that prominent reason for corporate failures is dominant personality. Pakistani companies are dominated by such personality and take all decisions in the company. Why it is harmful for the company that have a dominant personality? Because it is inherent limitation and human to have all skills and knowledge, or a human is not omnipotent. So secondly, dominant personality interferes in all department while bypassing organizational boundaries and laws. So people working under this type of guy lose interest in making decisions. So insignificant issues are sent up to the top to this dominant personalities who involve him in a petty issues and waste their time. Dominant personality adopt management styles, which is harmful for the growth of the company because the strategic management suffer from myopia and lose long-term eyesights. Dominant personality do not allow anybody to become his successor. So leadership crises occur when this dominant personality no more exists. Their intolerance for criticism deprived the company from useful ideas. Thank you.